I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone's iOS version so developers know the environment. Once done, collect the app name and the precise steps that trigger the issue. This makes replication possible. Make a screenshot or start a screen recording to capture the failure visually. Then open the app and reproduce the bug while recording. This gives objective evidence. If the bug is intermittent, try to reproduce it twice to capture consistent behavior and record timestamps for each attempt. Now you'll compose the report. Start with one sentence saying what should happen and another saying what actually happened. Next, list step-by-step reproduction steps numbered clearly so someone else can follow them exactly. Make sure to include device model, iOS version, app build or test flight label, and any error messages. Attach screenshots and the screen recording you made, if available. Include console logs or crash reports, because those explain the why behind the failure and speed up diagnosis. Finally, submit the report via the app's in-app feedback, App Store review, or Apple Feedback Assistant depending on context. Include your contact info and preferred way to be reached. Also list troubleshooting steps you already tried so engineers avoid duplicating work. After submission, monitor for replies and be ready to supply additional logs or reproduce the issue on request. If you don't hear back, reproduce the bug again, capture fresh logs, and update the original report so it stays current and actionable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.